Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the question answer of chapter 1 of history of class 9. The title of the chapter is India Size and Location. Earlier we have discussed about the important points about India size and location. Now in this video we are going to discuss the question answer. The first question is first one. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. The options are Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Tripura. The answer is Odisha. Next, the easternmost longitude of India is. The options are 97 degree 25 minute E, 77 degree 6 minute E, 68 degree 7 minute E, 82 degree 32 minute E. The answer is 97 degree 25 minute E. Next question is Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with. Options are China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar. The answer is Nepal. Next, if you intend to visit Kavaratti during your summer vacations, which one of the following union territories of India you will be going to? Options are Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu. The answer is Lakshadweep. Next, my friends hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. Options are Bhutan, Bangladesh, Tajikistan, Nepal. The answer is Tajikistan. Next, question number 2. Answer the following question briefly. First, name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. The answer is Lakshadweep Islands lies in the Arabian Sea. Next question. Name the countries which are larger than India. Answer is Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia are the countries larger than India. Next question is which island group of India lies to its southeast? The answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie to the southeast of India. Next question is which island countries are our southern neighbors? The answer is Sri Lanka and Maldives are the two island countries that are the southern neighbors of India, of our country. Question number 3 is the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? Answer is from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh there is a time lag of about 2 hours, but the watches shows the same time. It is because the time along the standard meridian of India, that is 82 and half degree E, passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is taken as the standard time for the whole country to maintain uniform timetable for the whole country. The last question number 4 is, the central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? Answer is, the Indian landmass has a central location between East and West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. I repeat the answer. The answer is, the Indian landmass has a central location between East and West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes, which connect the countries of Europe in the west to the countries of East Asia, provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula extends into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast, and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. Thus, it is significance of India's central location at the head of the Indian Ocean, due to which it is named after India.